So through Husky Dog rescues, rescue dogs, Jeeps, and just being a car person, I'm connected to another car guy online, and he happens to be one of the guys from Chemical Guys. So I've mentioned how dirty this truck is. Just sent me a product to try, and it's called Raging Rhino. Wow, it actually took that water spot out really easily that I usually have to work on quite a bit. This stuff is, I mean, look how clear that is. Wow. So my entire Ram 1500 truck only took about this much to do the whole thing. I'm definitely keeping that in the truck for spot cleaning and rescue dog toys and leashes, etc., of course.